What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today's video will be a little bit different. I noticed that some of you guys are asking about my Mercedes C300. I know a few things that I would like to do on it and some things that I do need to do on it. So today's video is something that I do need to do on it. And you already know by the title of this video is that I have a bad idler pulley. Now coming into the engine bay right here, I can take this cover off. And that will give us access to the serpentine belt. Now the pulley that is bad is this one right here. When the car is running, it is noticeable that these bearings are worn out, and if you do not know what the worn out bearings sound like, I will play a clip for you right now. Now if you do have a pulley that does sound like that, I would highly recommend you change it as soon as possible. Either take it to a mechanic. You can even do it yourself. It only takes a few minutes, but enough talking, let's get right into this install. So the first thing that we do have to do is loosen the tensioner, which is a size 17 millimeter, I believe. And it's located right here under the belt. I went ahead and just pulled the belt off that pulley, but now that we have the belt off, we can go ahead and remove this pulley. This idler pulley is a size E12 socket. Now that I broke it loose, I can loosen it the rest of the way with the ratchet. Now this is the old pulley that I did just pull out, and just spinning it, you can hear that the bearings are starting to wear out. Here's the new pulley that I bought. As you can see, when I spin it, completely silent, and that's what we want. Now that I got the pulley in all the way, I'm just going to take the extra step and I'm going to use the clicky stick. After a quick Google search, I found out that it needs to be torqued to 35 Newton meters or 25.8 foot-pounds. Now that we have the pulley torqued down to spec, we can now put the belt back on. Now before I do start the car, I would like to make sure that the belt is properly seated on all the pulleys. As you can tell by the clip that I just showed, there was no more ringing noise. Like I said, you could definitely do this yourself, so if you do have a bad idler pulley, just go ahead and pick up the part, take the time to get set up, and get all the tools that you need, and you should be good to go. And if you do not have any of the tools, we will link them all down below, as well as the pulley. If you guys did enjoy this video and you do want to see more videos on the C300, please make sure to smash that like button, leave a comment below, letting us know that you want to see more videos. And if you are new to the channel, make sure you do subscribe and turn those post notifications on. We'll see you guys in the next video.